In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export to PDF in Smartsheet. We'll walk through the exact menu path, the PDF setup options, and a few simple choices that make your export clean and readable. First, open Smartsheet and head to the home page. If you're starting fresh, you can create a new project, program, or process here, but you can also use an existing sheet. To quickly find your work, check the suggested section or switch to all workspaces. Navigate into the workspace that contains the sheet you want to export and open it so you can see it listed. Next, locate the sheet and click the three dots next to its name to open the Actions menu. Hover over Export, then choose PDF. That opens the PDF setup window where you control exactly what goes into your file. Begin with selection. Here, decide what part of the sheet to export. If you only need a subset, choose the appropriate selection so you don't generate an oversized file. This is especially helpful for wide sheets or long task lists. Move to paper size. Pick a size that fits your content, standard letter or A4 for most lists, and a larger size if your sheet runs wide or includes a Gantt chart. Choosing a larger size can reduce how much you need to scale later. Set margins next. Narrow margins fit more columns, but keep enough space if you plan to include headers or footers. Consistent margins also make your document look more professional when printed. Choose orientation. Portrait works well for shorter, narrower views. Landscape is usually best for sheets with many columns. If your preview looks cramped, switching orientation is often the quickest fix. Adjust scaling to control how everything fits on the page. Fit to one page wide is a reliable starting point for wide sheets because it prevents columns from splitting across pages. If the text looks too small, try increasing the scaling percentage or allowing the content to span a few pages tall for readability. Open options to refine the output. This is where you can include or exclude elements like headers, grid lines, or other sheet details, depending on what your audience needs. Keep it simple if you're sharing a quick status update. Include more context if it's for a formal report. If you need a label at the top, add a short note to the header, such as a date range or version. Keep it concise and avoid sensitive information. When everything looks right, click OK to generate your PDF. Your browser will download the file and you can rename it and share it right away. If you need to export another sheet from the same workspace, use the same three dots menu, choose Export, and pick PDF again, repeating the setup choices that work best for you.